Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide an Instagram chat or message without deleting it. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To do this, open Instagram and tap on the messages icon at the bottom. Now find the chat you want to hide. This works for both personal and professional accounts. Open the chat, then tap on the account name at the top. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Restrict. Once you do that, go back to your inbox and you'll see that the chat is now hidden. You can repeat this process for any other chats you want to hide. If you ever want to unhide a chat, it's very easy. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down to How Others Can Interact with You and tap Restricted. From there, select the account and tap Unrestrict. When you return to your inbox, the chat will appear again exactly as it was, with all messages intact. And that's it. Now you know how to hide Instagram chats or messages without deleting them.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.